Good morning and welcome. You're watching News Now. I'm Rukmini Vishwanath, and the first cutoffs for admission to Delhi University colleges were released on Wednesday night, with the first phase of admission in the 60-odd affiliated colleges starting from tomorrow. BCom Honours continue to be the most sought-after course in Delhi University, with a cutoff for admission into the program remaining over 90% in major colleges such as Sri Ram, Kirori Mal, Lady Sri Ram, Hansraj, and Hindu and Ramjas. Other sought-after courses include Economics Honours and English Honours in the Arts stream, BCom in Commerce and Physics and Chemistry and Science. Now, the Delhi University is offering about 49,000 seats for its undergraduate programs this year, for which about 1.3 lakh students have applied. The university has also brought out separate cutoffs for OBC students this year and has about 10,000 seats for students in this category. And the first cutoffs, like we were just telling you, for admission to the Delhi University colleges have been released, and the first phase of admission in the 60-odd affiliated colleges will be starting from tomorrow. Let's tell you that the most sought-after courses seem to be BCom Honours, which is the most sought-after course in the Delhi University, with a cutoff for admission into the program over 90% in major colleges such as Sri Ram, Kirori Mal, Lady Sri Ram, and Hindu and Ramjas. Nandita Suneja joins us live from Hindu College. Nandita, bring us up to speed. What's the latest coming in? There must be the usual scramble for admissions now.
Well, the admission process officially and formally begins tomorrow, Rukmini. But today the cutoff list is out. In fact, late last night it was released by Delhi University. And as expected, most colleges here in the North Campus have upped their admission criteria, somewhere between 0.5 to about 1.5% increase in the cutoff list overall, which basically means that it becomes tougher now for students to enter the choice and college of their, to enter the course and college of their own choice. And as you said, the most sought-out colleges here in Delhi include Hindu College, SRCC, as well as Kirori Mal College, where I am standing, including LSR, Shri Venkateshwara as well. And the most sought-after courses include Economics Honours, BCom Honours, and let me tell you that students will have to, face stiffer competition this time, as percentage and cutoffs increased this year much more so than last year. This is the trend that we have been seeing over the past couple of years, and perhaps there is time. This is time now for a review, perhaps by the Education Minister, Mr. Kapil Sibal, who's taken over charge so recently and talked about reforms in so many sectors in education, to also look up this issue of admissions to these colleges in Delhi University, which is just becoming tougher and tougher each year for students.
Right, Nandita, just on that note, we'll talk a little bit about the courses. It seems that one of the most sought-after courses in the Delhi University is BCom Honours, with a cutoff at about 90%. Is that going to really limit the number of students who can actually opt for this course?
Well, not just 90%, Rukmini. If you look at colleges like SRCC and Hindu, which are the most sought after colleges for BCom Honours, including St. Stephen's, the cutoffs here are somewhere close to 95% for those students who've studied in the commerce stream in class 12. So yes, it becomes much tougher from them. But like I said, this is a trend that we have been seeing in Delhi over the past 5 to 6 years, where cutoffs each year have been increasing, and even an increase of just 0.5% or 0.75%, which we have seen this year, makes it that much tougher and the competition that much stiffer for students to get into. So yes, the sought after courses like BCom Honours and Economics Honours, like you said, which have become very popular here in Delhi University in the past couple of years, are of course going to become much more tougher to get through.
And also, Nandita, from what we understand, the Delhi University has about 49,000 seats for undergraduate courses, and there are about 1.3 lakh applicants. So the race really becomes very tough.
Absolutely. That ratio in itself speaks volumes, Rukmini, and like I said, that with percentages and with cutoffs rising each year, this is a trend that we've seen over the past 10 to 15 years, in fact. Now that we're approaching more and more towards 100% really, we saw St. Stephen's, when it released its cutoff list, 97% for some of the most sought after courses. So with percentages reaching that high, with cutoffs becoming such a serious issue now, is that time to really do a review, because a cutthroat competition like this is only going to make it much more almost impossible perhaps for a certain kind of student to really get into Delhi University to do a course like Economics Honours or BCom Honours, which opens up a whole lot of career options. If you want to enter the corporate sector or even into corporate law or other such areas which are booming at this point right now in terms of careers. And that's why these courses are being sought after with so much aggression by students. But with competition becoming stiffer, with cutoffs rising each year, perhaps there is a need to do a review of this entire admission process into Delhi University.
All right, Nandita, thanks very much for joining us with that update.